Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log in into your Equitable Bank account. So follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your web browser and in the search bar, search for Equitable Bank login. And as the search result, you can see on the first option Equitable Bank. Click on it. It will redirect you to the login portal of Equitable Bank. And in this portal, enter the email address of your account. And in the password section, enter the password of your account. Once you do that, click on sign in. You will be signed into your Equitable Bank account. And you can click here remember my email if you are using a private computer for further use. But I do not recommend you to do that. If you are using a public or shared computer. And you can register this device for the further use of your account. To register this device for your account, you can click here on the register this device. And in case if you guys forgot your password, click here forgot password to reset it. And if you want to create a new account on Equitable Bank, click here on sign up. So this much for this video. Hope you guys understand and find our video helpful. If you did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. And also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.